Hello and welcome to Unmatched Value. We're continuing our cool things series, and I have something special for you guys today. It's a USB cable. That's right. Aren't you glad you clicked this link? Um, no, but in all seriousness, there is actually something really cool about this USB cable, and I think it's worth. It's earned its place on this list. I can't talk today. All right, so this is what it looks like. I think this is actual aluminum, so pretty good build quality from what I can tell. This is a USB-C, but they also have a micro USB and a Lightning for iPhones. So let me show you what's special about this cable. So I have a regular power bank here, just so I can show you guys. It's actually a pretty nice power bank. Pocket juice. I just got it recently, so I haven't had a chance to use it, but it's nice because it's got a plug for an outlet. Anyways, so let's go ahead and plug that in, and then this is a Note 8, so USB-C connector, and then you click and then click again. Okay, and as you can see, it starts charging. Red dot. I think you can see it. Anyways, so what's cool about this cable is that you can do this to it. Pretty nifty thing to have. Now you may think I destroyed this. I didn't. It's designed to be like that, fixed. So the majority of these go bad when you either pull on the wire or just from bending too much, it breaks right here. So this allows you to replace part of the wire that's broken with a good part of the wire. So right here, there's like a little tab. You push down on that, you push down, and then you pull it apart like that. And then you just kind of lift up half of it and the wire comes out. And the wire is smooth on one side, and then it has like little divots on the other one. So, and down there, I don't know if you can see that, but basically it shows you which direction it goes in so you don't mess it up. But yeah, so you take the wire, plug it all the way in there, push it down, push it forward, secure the tab. Oh, and I pulled it out from the power bank because I didn't want to short circuit while I was cutting it. You wouldn't want to mess up my phone. So plug it back in, and yep, it's charging. So pretty nifty thing to have. I think this is actually going to be a pretty big thing on the market. I think a lot of people are going to want these. It's really useful. I'm sure you've seen those charging cables with a bunch of tape on them. And since the cables are so easy to damage, I mean, you can slam them in a drawer, accidentally knock your phone off the table while it's charging. I mean, run it over with your chair. Or have some kind of crazy freak accident where you destroy it. So now you can just cut, put it back in, and it'll still keep working and charging your phone, which is a pretty nifty feature. I'll include a couple links, because you can find these in a lot of different places. I bought mine on Amazon because I didn't want to wait too long for shipping from China, because I just found out about this like 2 days ago, ordered it 2-day shipping, got it in here, and wanted to show you guys. Anyways, thank you for watching. I'll have more stuff for you as I find it. So if you liked or subscribed, thank you very much. I appreciate it. Have a great day, and thank you for watching.